July 5th, May 2023, say intermediate and final results declared ആയ ദിവസം. For a lot of us, life changed completely for the good. But for those who have postponed their success for another day, this video is for you. Life മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുന്നില്ല എന്ന് തോന്നുന്ന കുറച്ച് നിമിഷങ്ങളാണല്ലേ ഇത്. എവിടെ നിന്ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യും, എങ്ങനെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യും എന്നറിയാത്തൊരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ. So how do we pick ourselves up? Firstly, let's start by applying for our evaluated answer sheets and compare it with the suggested answers or the relevant material that you refer to and assess ourselves. Once you identify your weak areas and the areas which require a more in-depth study, then you can prepare a timetable for yourself till the date of your examination. Old syllabusile last attempt in November ആയതുകൊണ്ട് we have to give it our best shot. ഒരു attempt എങ്കിലും previously എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളവരായതുകൊണ്ടും we don't have to go for a regular class. Here at Lakshya, we are providing crash courses for almost all the subjects at both the intermediate level and the final level. So hope to see you all here soon. And remember, life always moves on.